Why did the Sun King destroy his most loyal minister? In 1661, Louis Roman XIV made a shocking move against Nicolas Fouquet, his finance minister. Fouquet had served the king with dedication, amassing wealth for the kingdom. Yet his ambition and flair for grandeur caught the king's attention in a dangerous way. What did Fouquet do that turned the king's favor into wrath? Here is what he missed in his quest for power. Law 7, get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. This principle is about strategically using the talents and efforts of others to elevate your own status. In today's competitive world, knowing how to leverage the work of others can be the difference between obscurity and success. It's not just about delegation. It's about positioning yourself as the indispensable leader. Understanding this law can transform how you navigate power dynamics. Nicolas Fouquet was a master of finance, making France wealthy. Born in 1615, he quickly rose through the ranks, becoming the superintendent of finances. His policies and financial acumen brought prosperity to France, but his ambition was boundless. Fouquet's ability to manage the kingdom's wealth made him indispensable, yet it also made him a target. His growing influence did not go unnoticed by the king, who began to see him as a potential rival. Fouquet threw a lavish party at Vaux-le-Vicomte, showcasing his wealth and influence. This event, held in August 1661, was a spectacle that rivaled the king's own court. The grandeur of the celebration, with its opulent decorations and illustrious guests, was meant to impress but instead incited envy. Fouquet's display of power was a bold statement, but it was also a miscalculation. The king, feeling overshadowed, saw this as a direct challenge to his authority. Louis Roman XIV felt threatened by Fouquet's display. In a swift move, he had Fouquet arrested and imprisoned for life. On September 5, 1661, Fouquet was seized, marking a dramatic fall from grace. The king's decision was not just about punishing Fouquet, but also about consolidating his own power. By removing Fouquet, Louis Roman XIV sent a clear message to all: no one should outshine the king. This was a pivotal moment in the king's reign, reinforcing his absolute authority. The king took over Fouquet's projects, claiming the credit for himself. By doing so, Louis Roman XIV not only eliminated a rival, but also reaped the benefits of Fouquet's work. The lesson here is clear: never outshine the master. In the world of power, it is crucial to understand the delicate balance between ambition and discretion. Fouquet's downfall serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of drawing too much attention to oneself. This law works because it plays on envy and insecurity. People in power fear being overshadowed. The psychology behind this is rooted in the human desire for recognition and dominance. When someone else appears to be more capable or influential, it triggers a defensive response. Understanding this dynamic allows you to navigate relationships with those in power more effectively, ensuring you remain in their good graces while advancing your own position. In a modern office, let others handle the groundwork. When the project succeeds, step into the spotlight. By doing so, you position yourself as the leader without having to expend all the effort. This strategy not only conserves your energy, but also enhances your reputation as a capable manager. It's about orchestrating success and ensuring that your contributions are recognized at the right moment. In a group chat, steer the conversation. When ideas flourish, subtly position yourself as the orchestrator. This involves guiding discussions and highlighting key points that align with your vision. By doing so, you create the perception that you are the driving force behind the group's success. It's a subtle yet powerful way to build influence and establish yourself as a leader in digital spaces. To master this law, remember: leverage others' work, avoid outshining your superiors, and claim credit wisely. These principles are timeless and apply across various contexts. By understanding the dynamics of power, you can navigate complex social hierarchies with finesse. The key is to balance ambition with humility, ensuring that you rise without inciting envy or resentment. Harnessing others' efforts can elevate you to new heights. But beware, for the next law reveals the dangers of overconfidence. As you climb the ladder of success, it's crucial to remain vigilant and aware of your surroundings. Overconfidence can lead to missteps and ultimately downfall. Stay tuned as we explore how to maintain your power without falling into the trap of arrogance.